Hello again, my precious. I'm back on my channel. Yes, my voice is not really okay, but I really missed you so much, so I'm here with another video. And I hope this video will be really useful for you. So let's stop talking and let's start. Частини тіла. Parts of the body. So, as I was ill, I thought that I have nothing on my channel about visiting a doctor. But how can we visit a doctor if we don't know the parts of the body or parts of our organism which can be ill? So I decided to do the videos about parts of the body. So today only body, and maybe next time, if you're active, I will shoot a video about face and head, or maybe some organs. I don't know, if you wish. So, but now, parts of the body. So, let's learn something. Частини тіла, parts of the body. We have a picture here of a guy with some parts of the body, and I have found even with English translation. So, here you see head, голова, ear, вухо, nose, ніс, chin, підборіддя, shoulder, плече, arm, рука, finger, палець, leg, нога, foot, стопа, wrist, зап'ястя, elbow, лікоть, neck, шия, chest, груди, belly, живіт, navel, пупок, knee, коліно, ankle, щиколотка, toe, палець ноги, heel, п'ята. So, again, without English. Голова, вухо, ніс, підборіддя, плече, рука, палець, нога, стопа, зап'ястя, лікоть, шия, груди, живіт, попок, коліно, щиколотка, палець ноги, п'ята. I hope everything is clear. Let's go and learn some grammar.
Леді незалежність, хоче на ручки.
Роди іменників частин тіла. So, grammatical genders of nouns, which are body parts. I have the genders, the videos about genders. If I won't forget, I will put the hint in the link in the description, so the hint somewhere there. I have the videos about cases in Ukrainian, like here, so you can watch them to understand more. But here just a small table for you for working, because you obviously need to know the gender of these nouns and the cases, how they're changed according to the cases. So you see that every verb, and after that we will have a noun, and very often we need another case of a noun. Yes, you can watch my video about cases to understand more. So first let's start with genders. Grammatical masculine, чоловічі, grammatical feminine, жіночі, grammatical neuter, середні. So, ніс, палець, руки, ноги, лікоть, живіт, пупок. That's grammatical masculine. So you see that the most common thing here is that we don't have any endings here in the end. Grammatical feminine. Голова, рука, нога, стопа, шия, щиколотка, п'ята. So here is a common thing that we have ending R or ya in grammatical feminine. And grammatical neuter. Запястя, вухо, підборіддя, плече, коліно. Here we have different endings for grammatical neuter or air. They're the most common endings, but we have some nouns with ya at the end. Запястя, підборіддя, so. I just put the cases. Називний nominative, родовий genitive, давальний dative, знахідний accusative, орудний instrumental, місцевий locative. And I took the most common nouns and I just changed it according to the cases. Ніс, палець, пупок, and живіт and лікоть. Живіт the same as ніс, the changing of ending, and лікоть the same as палець, the changing of ending. Like in nominative палець, пальця in genitive, we don't have a here, and in here with лікоть the same. Лікоть, ліктя. Just we don't put soft sound with the word ліктя. So that's it. So, and живіт the same ending as ніс. And even живіт, живота, the changing of this or in the root here, like this. So, let's see. Nominative, masculine. Ніс, палець, пупок. Родовий. So, for example, I don't have something, we need genitive case. Носа, пальця, пупка. Давальний, dative, I give. Носу, пальцю, пупку. Знахідний, accusative, I see. Ніс, палець, пупок. I see nose, finger, navel. Орудний, instrumental, with the help of what? Носом, пальцем, пупком. Місцеве, locative. On what? It is situated. Where? On what? На носі, on the nose. На пальці, on the finger. На пупку, on the navel. So, here we have ending R in genitive case, ending U in dative case, no ending in accusative, ending om in instrumental, and ending E in locative. But here we have ending ya in genitive, ending U in dative, no ending, ending M, and ending E. And here we have ending R, and we don't have O. Here it's just goes away. In genitive, ending U in dative, ending ok like a nominative, ending M, ending om in instrumental, ending U in locative. Grammatical feminine. Голова, шия, рука. Genitive. Голови, шиї, руки. So it's I ending, and here yi. Dative. Голові, шиї, руці. I, yi, here I, but here in the words that have in the root k, it changes to ts in dative. And in locative too. Accusative. Голову, шию, руку. Ending u or you. Instrumental. Головою, шиєю, рукою. Ending ою, єю. And на голові, на шиї, на руці. І, ї, і. The same as голова. Нога. The same changes. Стопа. The same changes. And п'ята, the same changes. As the same as рука, щиколотка, the same changes. So, and вухо, плече, запястя. Вухо, плече, зап'ястя – nominative. Вуха, плеча, зап'ястя – genitive. Вухо, плечу, зап'ястю – dative. Вухо, плече, зап'ястя – accusative. Вухом, плечем, зап'ястям – instrumental. На вусі, на плечі, на зап'ясті – locative. So, you see that ending H changes to S in вухо. In плече, nothing changes except the endings, and here we have M, not om, like there. And all that ya, we have you, ya, yam, i. The same as вухо, it's коліно, but without changing M to another things in locative на коліні. Підборіддя, the same as зап'ястя. Here. So, I hope everything is clear. To learn more about cases, click on my videos about it. I have lots of them. I have playlists about cases of nouns and of adjectives. So, watch them and you will learn more. And now, let's go to practice. Потренуємося. So here we have the words голова, шия, ніс, пупок, плече. Here we have the sentences that we need to complete with these words. And the prompts with the names of the cases. NV nominative case, називний відмінок, OV instrumental case, орудний відмінок, ZV знахідний відмінок, accusative case, MV місцевий відмінок, locative case, RV родовий відмінок, genitive case, DV давальний відмінок, dative case. So, в мене болить. I have a... And we put here the words. Не можу поворухнути. I can't move something from this, yes? Я порізав. I cut something. В мене прищ на. I have a pimple on, and we shall put there in the correct form. В мене пірсинг вище. I have a piercing above my something. Зробимо масаж вашому. So let's do the message to your something. Okay. Massage, sorry, not message, massage. So, let's go to the answers. And I hope it's a pretty easy exercise. I hope you will do everything correctly. Відповіді, answers. So, let's see what we have here. В мене болить голова. I have a headache. So, it's nominative case here. Голова, grammatical, feminine. Не можу поворухнути шиєю. I can't move my neck. So, instrumental case, шиєю. So, with what I can't move. With the help of what? Шиєю. Okay. Я порізав палець. I cut my finger. It's accusative case. Here. В мене прищ на носі. I have a pimple on my nose. Locative case. На носі. В мене пірсинг вище пупка. I have a piercing above my navel. It's genitive case. Above something. And the last one. Зробимо масаж вашому плечу. Let's do the massage to your shoulder. Плечу here is dative case. So, I hope everything was clear for you. And to understand more about cases and grammar, look my other videos, but this is the basic of parts of the body. If you want a video about face, or maybe other organs, in the comments, please, and I will do it for you. So this is the end of our video. I hope you have liked it. I hope you've enjoyed it immensely, like I have enjoyed doing it. I hope it was really useful for you. If you don't understand something, write me in the comments. I will try to explain once more. Write me in the comments if you want another video about parts of our body, about our face, for example, about other organs. I would be glad to read it and to do this video for you. And I hope, if I stay healthy, we will see each other next Friday. Bye bye!